talked about this before.
Go ahead.
But did you say, I know we said that tasting food for Shabbos is a mitzvah.
Yeah.
It's good for us to taste the food. But do we have to say a bracha on everything that we taste? Or does it have to be a certain amount of it?
Okay, that's a good question. So the practical answer, the practical reason to taste the food is to understand the food is ready or not. Maybe you need to add some some herbs, some salt, some pepper, some I don't know, some seasoning, whatever you need to eat. Maybe it's undercooked, right? Since on Shabbos we're not allowed to cook, and you're not allowed to use herbs because some of them are raw, so we're not allowed to cook on Shabbos. You understand? So I'm not going to like deep into it, but like some basic ideas. So, but that's one of the practical reasons when you taste everything before Shabbos, and you can split. Your wife tastes soup, you taste fish, whatever. So, right? So just make sure that everything has all of the ingredients, nothing is missing, or like nothing is overdone, like I don't know, like too much salt in the soup. Okay, when it happens, too much salt in the soup. So since it's before Shabbos, so you can eat potatoes, rice, whatever you add to soup, you can still save the soup. It's first part of the answer, but second part of the answer, if you're obligated to say the blessing. So I would say it depends. So if you're going to spit out, so for example, a woman wants to taste soup like only with the tip of her tongue, so she's not like there is no substance, right? So there is no blessing, or she would spit out. It's not ready, right? So she's cooking meat, it's not ready. She's not going to swallow. Okay, there is no blessing. But if you're going to derive, your palate is going to derive pleasure, so it doesn't matter like a few drops, or even one drop or one crumb. So you say the blessing. We don't say after the blessing. It could be one blessing for all of the foods if they cover with one blessing. But yeah, for sure you say blessing if you're going to swallow. Okay. What else? So even I just want to note something for just so even some things we said before. So if it's still not clear to you or you don't remember the answer, please don't be shy. Ask this question because my goal for you to remember all of the things to understand the logistic why we answered like that. Maybe I was like explaining other things and I just said like by the way matter. So don't be shy if we discuss, no problem. I think other people are going to benefit from this as well. Okay.